have some bad news. Experiment 56 has died.
You have failed me.
I'm sorry, it was a mistake.
You must pay for your mistakes. Guards, take that filth away.
Don't get any closer. Put your hands up. Not so fast. State your name. Don't make me shoot you.
Go on then. Shoot me.
Master, there's a girl outside trying to get in.
Well, deal with her then. She's only a guard.
She's killed them all, Master. There's only one left.
That's impossible. My guards are highly trained military men. There's no way a simple girl could...
Could what? Long time no see, Alistair.
Experiment 12. We meet again. No, I'm sorry. Our little reunion has to be cut short. Guard! Caesar.
Not so strong now, are you? I've waited years for this.
For what?
For the moment I'm in control. Without your scientists or your guards, you're nothing. I want you to feel my pain, the pain that you caused me.
Pain? I was helping you. I taught you everything you know.
No. You taught me what it's like to feel hopeless, powerless. Now, let me teach you what it's like.
Oh, don't do this. We can work together, combine our strengths. If we work together, we can rule the world together. Come on now. I know you want a taste of power. I know. Just join me. And together we will be unstoppable.
I know what power tastes like. And as it turns out, I am unstoppable. I don't need you or anyone else.
Ah!
Rolling.
Sound speed. Scene 6, late 1, take 4.
Action.